Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you might need to transfer your Dogecoin from one exchange to another. Today, I'm walking you through the simple process of moving Dogecoin from Bitrue to your Coinbase wallet. This step-by-step guide is designed to be straightforward, so even if you're new to crypto, you'll feel confident handling this. Let's get started. First things first, before we begin, make sure you have a Bitrue account with some Dogecoin in it and a Coinbase wallet set up on your phone or computer. Also, double-check that you're using the correct network for Dogecoin to avoid any issues. It's typically the Dogecoin network itself. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section to find your Dogecoin balance. Step 2. Select Dogecoin from your list of assets. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. Click on that to start the transfer process. Step 3. You'll need to enter your Coinbase wallet address. This is crucial, so copy it directly from your Coinbase app to prevent any typos. Paste it into the recipient address field, and make sure to select the right network if prompted. Step 4. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees. Bitrue might charge a small amount, so check that first. Review all the details carefully. Step 5. Hit the Confirm button. If you have two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled, you'll need to verify the transaction with a code from your phone. Once confirmed, the transfer will be initiated. After that, switch over to your Coinbase wallet. It might take a few minutes to an hour for the Dogecoin to show up, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer for peace of mind. A quick tip: always verify addresses and amounts before confirming to protect your assets from scams or errors. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay cautious. There you have it. That's how you transfer Dogecoin from Bitrue to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.